Rush fam, welcome to another video. So we are on Foga Road. This is relatively close to where the highway is gonna start, which is the Pen-Williamsfield leg, being constructed at a cost of 4.8 billion Jamaican dollar. So this is the bridge they're making to bring the highway over Foga Road. So that's what's happening down this side. So giving you guys a glimpse of what's happening. This is the second video in this series of highway updates. So you guys, if you haven't checked out the first one as yet, you can definitely check it out. I'll put it in the comments, and I'll also put in the comments the first video I did right at this location when they just started as well, so you guys can see where it's coming from. So Foga Road, Highway 2000. Remember to leave your comments. It's all about commenting. It's all about liking. What we're gonna do as well, we're gonna take our first travel on the new highway. So it's not yet finished, but you're able to drive from this location back to 4 Pass, close to 4 Pass. So we'll do that as well. So you guys will be coming along with me to get your first trip on the new highway. So stay tuned for that, and then afterwards we'll send up the drone. Alright, so we're gonna take the left right here, which is a detour. And again, that's the bridge being constructed to bring the highway over Foga Road. So first drive on the new leg of Highway 2000. Are you guys excited? I am. Remember to leave your comments. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you want to contribute to the channel so we can do a lot more videos like this outside of Kingston, definitely donate through PayPal. Their link is in the channel description. So that's a herd of cows. A lot of farming happening in Clarendon. So they are also driving on the highway, or walking on the highway. So the camera will be a little bit shaky because the road is not yet smooth. So this is gonna be the highway. And this is coming from Mineralites where it starts. Then the bridge brings it over Foga Road. So just wanted to give you guys a quick drive. And again, sorry for the shaky camera. So this will be a second bridge to bring the road over this road. I think this road leads to 4 Pass. Just gonna let these trucks through. Alright, so I'm just gonna clear this road. And then I'll turn back and then we'll set up the drone. So again, Highway 2000 new leg from Maypen to Williamsfield in Clarendon. Sorry, Williamsfield in Manchester. And this is a first drive for the channel for you guys. Alright, so massive tunnel right here. Just gonna turn here. Massive bridge slash tunnel. So lots of work happening down this side. So keeping you guys updated as usual. And again, guys, leave your comments. Let me know what you think about the progress of the work, cost of the project. I think it's supposed to finish in 2022, but to be honest, I'm not sure if they'll meet that deadline because, you know, we're like 1 month and a couple weeks away. No, 1 month and a few days away from 2022. So in my judgment of the project, I don't think they'll meet 2022. I think early 2023 they'll be good to go. Alright guys, so quick drive. There'll be a third video coming, so look out for that down Clarendon Park side. You have to be digging down the hill, so you guys will be able to get some shots of that. I uploaded one video already, which is the start out where the current highway ends at the roundabout, so you guys can also check that out. Alright, so let's gonna set up the drone for a little bit, give you guys a quick aerial shot, and then we're good to go. So thanks for watching, thanks for liking. You know, it's the Discovery Boss, always trying to keep you guys updated, always trying to show you guys what's happening in Kingston, in Jamaica, all around. Drone videos, road videos, house construction, road construction, house for sale, apartment for sale. You know, always showing you guys what's happening, showing you guys developments in Jamaica, new projects in Jamaica. You know, everything good about Jamaica. That's the aim of the channel. And the channel is growing, so continue doing your part. Really appreciate it. We may be growing slow, but one day we're gonna be at 20,000. One day we're gonna be at 100,000. So thanks for all the support, guys. Oh, so we're back with the cows. They'll be crossing the road soon. They're very obedient as well. So they're waiting for their leader to cross them. That's about, I think that's more than 100 cows. So I guess the leader wants to cross all of them at once. Hopefully we drive past before they start to cross, because you know they're gonna take a while. So lots of cows, lots of cows. Hey cow!